let's start with the first one, which is a avocado hummus. Of course, for a hummus you need as a base chickpeas and tahini, which you can see here in the video, and because it's a avocado hummus you need an avocado. And also I put in some lime juice or lemon juice and garlic and some onions. And as you can see here, I'm getting pretty excited about the avocado because it turned out pretty nice. It was actually perfect, which is surprising because we paid nothing for it, because we got it from food sharing, and which is a great opportunity to get free food and rescue some foods which would go into the trash otherwise. Anyways, I added some spices, paprika, salt, some miso paste and some pepper, and this spice mix from the company Just Spices. Blend everything together, and it turned out pretty creamy. And I would highly recommend you to just put some avocado in your hummus, and then put it in a nice bowl, make it look delicious, make it look sexy as always. And we move on to the next one in a couple of seconds.
You're gonna apply it to face, I'm sure. Would be a great facial. Cheese sauce, that's my field here. I always go for this sauce because it's cheesy, it's creamy, and since I'm French, well, of course, I used to love old sock smelling secretions, which is how cheese is made basically. But now I make it in a very kindly way without harming any cow or separating them from their calves. So I just use 1 cooked potato in here. You can add 1 carrot as well. The starch of the potato will do marvels as for the texture. And then you add some cashew butter, about 1 tablespoon, some lemon, garlic, onion, and nutritional yeast as well. You can. And then as for the color, you can add some turmeric, and there you go, you got this ooey gooey sauce, perfect for vegan mac and cheese and more baked in the oven dishes.
So moving on to another hummus variation, this time without avocado but with some beetroot chunks or slices to make a beautiful red, pink, vibrant color. And as in the other recipe, I put in some onion, this time green onion, spring onion, however you want to call it, and some regular onion as well. I can see right now garlic as well. And your favorite spices. We used paprika and miso paste, and as you can see here, the rest of the tahini which was left in the jar. You always mix this with hot water to make sure everything comes out of the jar, and we are not wasting anything. Stop laughing about me, about my funny English words. And then you're gonna mix everything together, and always make sure to, let me finish, make sure to start with a little bit of liquid or water in this case, because you can always adjust, you can always put more water into your dips or your sauces as well, but removing water is actually quite hard. So first try and check how the consistency is, and then if necessary you can always add more water, or in this case you have to add more beetroot if your girlfriend is not satisfied with the color. So it turned out quite creamy as well, and to top everything off I chopped up some more onions and some crumbled some walnuts on top, which you're gonna see here in a moment.
Only Jesus can remove water from the ocean. But that's a practical thing to have some more water here so that you want the thing to come out. And then the last one is the baba ganoush. It's a variation of hummus dip. It's Lebanese, and you just need some chickpeas, like 1 or 2 cooked aubergines. Then you add in your lemon juice, garlic and onion, and of course we love to go to our spice mix from the brand Dry Spices, which is located in Düsseldorf. They have some great one with curry, that's perfect for curry dishes. They have some that are great for vegan bolognese sauce, and some that are of course great for different hummus dips. So as for this one, I think I went for the vegetable all-rounder, if I'm not mistaken. I added 1 teaspoon of miso, and then just blending everything. I wasn't quite delighted with the texture at the end, but it did the job. It satisfied our palate, it satisfied our taste buds, and that's all that counts. If you would love to see more creative rainbow dips, please let us know and we'll do the magic, we'll make it come true for you. Until the next one, enjoy the rainbow!